Hey there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on how we can create and manage PDF files inside bubble.io. So let's get started. Okay, so here you can see this is kind of like a preview with image and text with a kind of a design. And there are these two buttons with create and preview file. Okay, so what I am going to do is like convert these two parts, like this part of the app into PDF by clicking this button, and you can see this is saved here, and I can have a preview of this, and this is a PDF file. And also like I have saved it inside the database, so I can like preview the file again and again whenever I want with this button. So it's saved in the database. Like this file is created 942 right now. Okay, so how did I do that? For this, first of all, I need to like create a design for this whole thing. So this is the design part of this whole PDF, where everything you want, like the image, the text, and anything you can put here. And you can make the image dynamic by changing this value, and the text dynamic by different colors with the rich text editor, and also different attributes as dynamic by inserting the dynamic part. And after this whole thing is done, you are ready to start with this PDF conversion. The second thing is you will need this PDF/image from plugins. So you go to the plugins and search for PDF and Screenshot Pro by BEP and add this plugin. So after adding this plugin, PDF and Screenshot Pro by BEP, you go to this editor part and search for PDF, and you will see this element PDF/image. You can just click on it and drag and drop it to the page. And after dragging it to the page, you can place it anywhere, it doesn't matter, but you will need it on the page, and it should be like visible, not hidden. Okay, and after this is done, you will have to do some settings inside this. So for this, you will need some basic setting for the whole workflow and everything. So first of all, we will need to enable ID attribute parts inside the settings of the bubble. That is this expose the option to add ID attribute to HTML elements. And after enabling this main group of which I want to create a PDF, I will scroll down and name it something here. So for now I have named it PDF file, and after naming it PDF file, the most of the screen part is done. So I will have to manage everything in the workflow now. So on the click of create and save PDF file, let's go there and let's see what we have to do. Here we search for PDF, and we will see element PDF part. You can see this element PDF. Just click on it, and in the element PDF, select the PDF element you have put on the screen for this specific purpose. So for now, there is only one PDF image/ABC, which is this one right here. And element ID will be exactly the same, that is PDF file that I recently added to the main element that I want to convert into PDF, which is this one, PDF file. And the width and height you can put anything, so make it like 1000, 2000, it doesn't matter. And the quality, make it default. Name, make it anything. Okay, so there are last two parts, save to bubble and download. What save to bubble does, it saves it inside the bubble, and the download does is like downloads the file directly after like clicking on the create. So this is what I have set up right now with the exact same, like PDF file, portrait 2, and file name anything. save to bubble and download. And after this is done, so everything about this is done. You can also do is like directly save it from here, but sometimes that doesn't work. Like if I click on create a new thing and select PDF file, select the file and make it PDF / image ABCs element PDF URL. So I can do this directly right here, but sometimes this will not work. So for this to make it automatic, what I did is like created a automatic workflow that runs every time whenever PDF image element URL is not empty. So the URL of this element right here, whenever it has any PDF files, then this will automatically trigger. So like whenever I click on this button, create a PDF file, it will create a PDF file, and after the creation is done, its URL will not be empty, so this will automatically run. And in here we will create the new file. So if it takes too long to save the file, it doesn't matter, it will still like create the new PDF right here. Then there is this set state option that I did it for myself for just the preview. And the last one is clear the element. So whenever a PDF is created and saved into the database, you can clear the element as well in the end. And the other one is this preview. So whenever I save something in my states, I can just click on this preview button and it will open this exactly PDF files URL on another page, so I can preview the PDF file. Okay, so this is the whole flow. This is everything. Like we need to set this whole process. Let's have a quick preview again. Okay, so for now, when I click on this, it automatically downloads the file. So this is because I have checked the option download directly inside this create workflow. So this download check directly downloads the file right here. And the other thing, save to bubble, it saves file to the bubble and it keeps the file inside this element. So the other workflow is this one, like PDF image, the PDF element URL is not empty. So I can see in the database here that there was a file created at 9:48, which was right now, which I created. And it was saved and the state was also made. Now if I click on the preview file, because the file is saved into states, it will also give me the download option and I can download the file, start download and have a preview. Okay, now you can see this is the PDF file we have preview right in front of us, and this we can like download anytime we want because like it is saved in our database. So this is how the whole PDF save and create feature works in bubble.io. You can customize it according to your needs. So if you want to save it in the database, you can create your own workflow. If you want to change the image, make the text dynamic, this is easy. You can like directly go to the editor and change it accordingly. You will just need is this ID attribute part from this. You will just add the ID here and add the ID there as well, and it will automatically manage the rest. And this is all done. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care.